Come with me to Athens, Greece. I took a 9-hour direct Emirates flight from New York City and landed in Athens midday. I took an Uber to my hotel, checked in, struggling to stay up due to the 7-hour time difference. I had 2 coffees, strolled around town a bit, and went up to my hotel's rooftop party where I got my first glimpse of the Acropolis. In this episode, I explore Athens for 2 days and take a day trip to the ancient city of Delphi. Then I jet set to the magical island of Santorini. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Please make sure to subscribe for more exciting travel videos. Good morning, everyone. I cannot believe it, but I am in Greece. I am having a delicious Greek breakfast right now, and I am just loving my life. One of my favorite things about travel is grabbing a coffee and just getting lost in a country. So lots of different markets, restaurants. Wow. So I just booked a tour to the ancient city of Delphi for Wednesday at this place, the Adriano's Travel. It was about $80, and I am super stoked because I've always wanted to visit this place. This is what I love about travel. One of the many things. Music brings us together. Can you say good morning from Greece?
Good morning for Greece.
But you have to say it in Greek.
Καλημέρα από την Ελλάδα.
Good morning, good morning.
Can you say I love my life? I love my life.
Σίγουρα αγαπώ τη ζωή μου. Sure, I love my life. It's a lovely place here. Acropolis is another side. Underground situation here, but lovely. Not a lot of money to pay. You spend your day hear music.
Take off my glasses.
Everybody want to see your eyes.
Oh, do you like my eyes?
Yeah, lovely.
Thank you.
And you're not so often to find lady more tall for me.
Find you a lady mom.
A lady more tall for me. You're more tall for me.
America. Yeah. Hollywood. Thank you. Oh.
At the moment, you are exactly over here. This is Monastiraki Square. If you pick a bus and you decide to complete the whole tour of the city center without you stepping off the bus, it takes you 1 hour and 30 minutes to complete it. But we have a system called hop on and hop off, and from all the stops, whenever you get off the bus, every 15 to 20 minutes comes another yellow bus to pick you up and continue the tour around the city center.
How do you say I love my life in Greek?
I love my life in Greek.
Yeah.
Αγαπώ τη ζωή μου.
Say it again.
Αγαπώ την ζωή μου.
Oh, that's so cute. Alright guys, so this is the bus that I am going to be taking. Make sure you use the yellow bus because this is a local Greek company, right? This is a local Greek company. And you are supporting the locals when you take this bus.
Yes.
So go to the top right. You said that's the best.
On the top right is the best seats.
Awesome. Thank you, Mario.
Take headsets from the driver. Okay.
Hi, how are you? Do I take this? Oh.
Yes, please.
This is Mr. Nikos.
Nice to meet you.
Me too. And you are?
Jessica.
Jessica.
Adios. I typically don't like this type of tour, but it's an easy way to see the city if you don't have that much time and it goes to many different stops. And I'm just so happy to be in Greece right now. Traveling is my passion. It fulfills me in so many ways. It's grateful to be here in Greece right now. I hopped off the bus at the Parthenon Stadium, a 4th century BC wonder, originally built for the great Parthenonia. Sorry, these words are a little difficult to pronounce. Over the centuries, it underwent stunning transformations, culminating in its current form, adorned with gleaming white marble. After soaking in its rich history, I roamed the surrounding neighborhood, capping off the day with a taste of delicious Indian cuisine. Oh wow, that looks so good. Thank you. Alright guys, so I am having chicken saag. It's like saag paneer with chicken. Lunch was so good. Oh my god. So I just bought a ticket to the Temple of Zeus. Let's go see, well, what's left of it. I am so upset right now. And I shouldn't be because I'm in beautiful Greece, but my receiver for the microphone for my new vlogging setup fell off of my phone. And I cannot find it. It's like this big. So I'm tracing my steps and I just don't know where it's at. And I can't use the wireless microphones without it. Okay, so I walked up to here and that's when I realized it, that it wasn't on my phone. Patience and prayer works. Here it is! Oh my god, I'm so happy right now. The thing about travel is there are so many little things to worry about. Add being a travel vlogger on top of that. And then you lose one little thing like this or one cord, you are effed. I found it. Yeah, thank you so much. About to try Greek yogurt in Greece. How amazing is that? Oh wow, look at that! How amazing does this look? Wow. I cannot believe this. I don't know if I can put this on YouTube. I hope I don't get flagged, but this is art. Welcome to the Acropolis of ancient Athens. Woo. I cannot believe I am here. It is absolutely stunning up here. A bit windy, as you can tell, but it is just so beautiful. I booked the last time slot, which was from 6 to 7 p.m. to watch the sunset. And also, I don't think it'll be that crowded. Look at this girl behind me. All right, just a little brief history. The Acropolis was built in the 5th century. Can you believe that? That was like so long ago. Like, how did they do that? And it is dedicated to the goddess Athena. Greece, my 45th country. Wow, I am at the very top of Athens right now. Travel really is the best gift that you can give yourself. I urge everyone that is watching this video to get out of your comfort zone and just book a ticket to a country that you've been wanting to explore. I promise you the money will come back, but the time won't. So do it now and you will write me and thank me later. I promise. I love my travel life. Good morning, good morning. First things first. I am going on an incredible adventure today to the ancient city of, I was gonna say Dwarka, but that's an underwater city in India. But this is in Greece, it's called Delphi. It looks incredible. I love adventure and I love history. So, ciao. Okay. Thanks.
Delphi, Kalimera, everybody. Effie is my name, it's Delphi. Effie to pronounce correctly, to call me tour guide or Effie, you know, it's my name. I'm a licensed tour guide. I'm from Athens, Greece. I'm going to be your tour guide for today's trip to Delphi.
All right, guys, so after a 2-hour bus ride, we arrived in the ancient city of Delphi. I got my ticket. Let's go explore. I'll be honest, I loathe big tour groups like this, but it's really the only way to see it. It took us a little over 2 hours to reach the ancient city of Delphi. We had a brief tour of the history. Delphi was once considered the center of the world in ancient Greek mythology. Do you guys think that this is the center of the world? What do you think?
All this inscription and all over Delphi. How many did they register? Because we have scientists who did all this inscription. 6,000. Huh?
It was home to the Oracle of Apollo and a major site for worship and prophecy.
Actually, my childhood dream.
Really?
To be once in a lifetime opportunity. I got it now. So I just sharing with my children, my husband.
How
And
beautiful
this
is
civilization and our civilization
Ours,
are
it's almost
oldest,
same
one of the oldest. We are from India,
India
and south part of the, India,
and
that is
Tamil
Chennai.
language.
Tamil is one of the
And
oldest
Tamil
language.
and Greek is the oldest language in the world, and still Tamil is existing, and it's spoken all over the world.
Wow.
Yeah, so
that's
it's very
amazing.
special, yes. So it's so much of relative, and these mythology characters, everything it's there in our scriptures too.
Wow.
It's still alive, our language,
That's amazing.
Tamil
So
language.
How do you feel about, have you always been fascinated with
Yes,
ancient
yeah.
Greek culture?
I actually, this is a movie. I don't know. Do you know Mamma Mia?
Yes.
Yeah, that was also taken in Greek, so I can't.
She was associating a lot of things from that.
Nice.
That was the inspiration she got it.
What about you?
Yeah, I think Greece was like one of my like top bucket list choices. So yeah, I'm really happy I'm able to like visit this place.
For me, too much of historical. For her, Santorini, Mykonos, those stuff.
Are you guys going to go to the Greek islands?
Yeah, yes, correct.
Have to.
Mykonos and Santorini. We have just taken 3 islands.
Oh, nice.
Santorini and Crete.
Great. Yes.
How are you getting around the ferry?
Ah, yes, ferry. Yes.
Yeah.
All 3 days in each islands. So it's
Awesome.
almost a 10, 11 days trip.
So please come to our country,
Yes.
India, and our part of Tamil Nadu.
Yeah,
That's a
South
place called
India,
Chennai.
Yes.
I've been to India.
Yeah.
Even South
And
India.
I went to Chennai and I
Oh,
went
wow.
So we are in Chennai.
We are in Chennai.
I went to Pondicherry
Oh, wonderful.
and Oroville.
Oh, you're from Oroville. Wow.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, that's wonderful.
It's beautiful.
Yeah,
there.
I think it's an hour and a half from our house.
Yeah, it's just 1 hour from my house.
So next time I come, I'll let you
Definitely.
know.
Get a number. Okay.
TK,
Yeah, we
TK.
should catch up. Oh, you TK.
Well, I don't speak Tamil, but I know a little Hindi.
Tamil. Oh, that's okay. That's okay. Very nice. So nice.
Tamil,
meeting
nothing. You have to tell vanakkam.
Namaste.
That is welcome.
Namaste in
Namaste.
English.
Thank you. Namaste. After that, we saw some artifacts in the museum. We had a delicious lunch before heading back to Athens. All in all, it was a really cool experience.
Look up, there's a beautiful area, magnifique l'endroit de l'autre côté. And in front, on the right, the toilets. That's very common.
All right, guys, so I am going to give you a quick tour of where I am staying. It is called Selina. They have locations worldwide, and what I really like about it is a very hip hotel. Well, it's more of like a hostel, but they do have private rooms. I can't do shared rooms. Sorry, I'm a light sleeper and I travel with a lot of equipment. But what I like about the Selina brand is they're usually like in very central areas. You can never really go wrong. They're very hip. There's different events going on. Like I was partying up on the roof the other night. So yeah, there's always something going on. You will meet other travelers. I've met people from 18 to like 70 here. So it's not, I think when people hear the word hostel, they think like young kids. And yeah, that is correct. But there are also people of all different ages that stay at this Selina brand. So how gorgeous is this staircase? Wow. One of my favorite things about traveling around the world is finding beautiful, aesthetically pleasing cafes like this one. I just love all the green, just the whole overall setup of the place is just very chic and refined, and coffee's not too bad either. Having a very delicious white egg with cheese and spinach, and oh my god, it is so good. In the next episode, I jet set to the magical island of Santorini. Make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. See you in paradise.